So, today we're looking at a 1989 Squire by Fender. This was brought out pretty much at the peak of the hairband era, 1980s hairband era, and has been abused very, very significantly. Pretty much every fret on here is flattened out to the point where it's unusable, and the neck is completely destroyed. So somebody's played this guitar very heavily, loved it, and then proceeded to smash it, probably on stage is my guess, because of the way it's been handled, mistreated. More than likely what they did is they just went and threw the guitar either off stage or onto the ground or something to that effect. We're going to try to resurrect this thing from the dead. It's not the most, valuable guitar in the world. It's kind of a piece of crap, to be honest. I do like the ply bodies, though. A lot of people don't. The ply bodies, I've found, have a decent tone, and they don't really move around as much as some of the solid body wood guitars when it comes to humidity and temperature. A lot of bodies can move around and wiggle when you get into extreme temperatures, especially on stages, outdoors, and whatnot. Ply bodies tend not to do that quite as much. Because of the way that they're laminated together, cross-hatched together. And these bodies aren't just general plywood. They're specifically made for Fender, and the glue they use for the laminate is really nice glue. In addition, there's very little voids in between compared to your standard, Home Depot plywood. The voids in between each ply are almost non-existent with these bodied guitars, these ply body guitars from the 80s. So I'm going to go ahead and I literally got this guitar as you see it. There was no bridge, there was a damaged neck, there was no nut on the neck. They did come with tuners, so I took those off already. Tuners are completely corroded, and they were stock tuners. They're a piece of junk. Tuners, you really kind of want to have some locking tuners probably on this. Although it does have the locking. This guitar originally came with just standard tuners and standard bridge. Somebody has gone through the effort to convert this guitar to a Floyd Rose. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to not bother with modifying it any further and just go ahead and put a Floyd Rose bridge back on it. Although, be it not the $300 one. I got a licensed $25 knockoff from Amazon. Yeah, I'm not very thrilled with it, but this is a resurrection of a guitar. I definitely don't like the pot metal little tiny block that's on the bottom of this bridge. It's junk, but it is what it is, and it should play at least reasonably well for a starter guitar for somebody to use. I'm going to go through all the electronics, replace all the wires, which are complete crap. Somebody basically just kind of modified this on a whim, it looks like. I hate all the way they wrap the wires around everything. Just don't like it. Doesn't look clean, doesn't look nice, doesn't look professional. So we're going to go through all of that, rewire everything. I have no idea what status the pickups are in, so we're going to go through some of that. I did notice when I took one of them out, it looked like there was some degradation of the glue inside of the coils that are in there. So we're going to look at that and see if they're salvageable. If not, we might end up purchasing some new pickups for these as well. I already got a neck on order. It should come here tomorrow. So we're going to replace the neck. Sorry, no license, no serial number is going to follow it, but hey, it's a resurrection. Not too worried about it. Again, it's a cheap neck. I got a $50 neck on Amazon. I'm going to try it out, see if it's worth keeping. If not, I might just order a better one from Stuart Mac or someplace like that. Did get with the kit, with the Floyd Rose kit, I got a new neck, a new nut, locking nut for it. So we're going to put that on the new guitar. The new guitar I ordered actually already has the little notch out for the locking nut, so I don't have to actually cut anything, which is kind of nice. I'm not using these posts because they look like complete crap, and I'm going to use the posts that were already in the guitar for the original Floyd Rose that was in here. So, the one thing I do have to say about this $25 knockoff kit, I hate this tremolo bar. It does not stay where you need it to stay. When you screw it all the way down, it should stay where you want it. This thing just kind of flops all over the damn place. Hate that. If musically, I believe this is the distro for this knockoff guitar tremolo. Musically, if you're paying attention, fix this. You shouldn't have that thing swinging around all over the damn place. It should have a nylon nut or nylon washer in there that will stop it from flying all over the place when you ratchet this thing down. Little annoyance that I have with this. Short of that, we're going to give it a try and see what we come up with. So next video you should see me kind of taking things apart and assembling things and see how it goes. I'll let you know.